So today we're going to start with skip counting. Okay, number 1, 5, 10, 15, and we have to find the next three numbers. So let's try 15 minus 10 because we need to find the number that's being added. So 5 minus 0 is 5. 1 minus 1 is 0, right? So they cross out. So we have 5. Okay, so now we're going to have to add the 5 to find the next number. So 15 plus 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, right? So 0, and the 1 goes up. And then so you add these two numbers, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So our next number is 20. Okay, now 20 plus 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. And then the 2 just comes down, so 25. And we have 25, and then plus 5 again. Okay, 5 plus 5, 10. And then the 1 goes up, and then 2 plus 1 is going to be 3. So our last number is 30. Okay, now let's try number 2. So number 2, we have 70, 60, 50. It's going down, right? So 70 minus 60. 0 minus 0 is 0. And 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is 1, right? So we're going down by 10. So then let's find our next number. 50 minus 10. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. So our next number is 40. And then 40 minus 10. 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 1 is 3. So 30. And then minus 10 again. 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. So our last number is 20. Okay. And then let's just try one more. Let's try number 5. So 10, 8, 6. Okay, we're going down, right? So 10 minus 8. So 10 minus 8. Okay, this is actually easier to just count. So 8 plus something is 10. 8, 9, 10, right? 8. We have 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9, 10. So we just have to add 2 more. Or let's just say that we have 10 circles here, and then we just get rid of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 2 left, right? So our next number is... No. So our number is 2. Okay, so we have to subtract 2 from each number. So to find the next number, we have to subtract 2 from 6. So we have 6, right? 4, 5, 6, and then we have to get rid of 2. 1, 2, get rid of these, and then now we have 4. And then get rid of 2 again. Get rid of them, and then we're gonna have 2. And then if you subtract 2 again, we're gonna have 0. Okay? Okay, now we're gonna tell the time. So here, so this the smaller one shows which hour it is, and the longer one shows which minute, okay? So you have to multiply 5 to this number, to each number, okay? So it's pointing at 3, right? So it's 3 times 5. Well, here it's 10. Here it's 5. It's 10. And then that's 15, 20, 25, 30, and it goes on. So here it's pointing at 15, right? So our minute is going to be 15. And here right here, it's pointing right between 11 and 12, right? It's pointing between 11 and 12, so that means it's 11, okay? So it's 11, 15. Now let's try estimating time. Circle the reasonable estimate of time it will take to complete each activity. So solving a math problem, 3 plus 5, for example. Is it going to take 30 minutes or 3 minutes? So just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then plus 3, 1, 2, 3, and we know that's 8, and it's going to take about 3 minutes, more than 30 minutes, right? So 3 minutes, and then counting your fingers. So we know that we have 10 fingers, right? And that's obviously going to take less than a minute, okay? And eating lunch, can you eat lunch in less than a minute? It's probably going to take more than a minute, so that is the answer. Okay, now let's try word problems. Eric has 32 buttons, 16 are red, 4 are purple, and the rest are green. So how many green buttons does Eric have? Well, we have to first add 16 and 4, okay? So 16 plus 4. What's 6 plus 4? 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now count. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 0. And the 1 goes up. And then you add these two numbers. So that's going to be 2. Okay? So we have 20. Right? And then now he has 32 altogether. So we're going to subtract 20 from 32. Sorry, that's 3. And 2 minus 0 is 2. And 3 minus 2 is 1. So he is going to have 12 green buttons. Okay?